Do you like pecan pralines? Then you will love this pecan praline cake. Each tender layer of yellow cake is covered in a fudgy pecan confection that is to die for, and the star of the show. Yes, the praline filling takes some time, but it is so worth it. I was eating it by the spoonful. And the cake is so moist and rich. This would be the perfect dessert to take to a picnic or outdoor event because the candy-like icing won't turn runny in the heat. To a large bowl, add 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1.5 cups of white sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon baking soda, and a half teaspoon of table salt. Whisk well. Then add 2 eggs, 1 cup of a neutral oil, and 1 cup of buttermilk. Whisk until mostly combined. Then pour in 1 cup of hot water and a tablespoon of vanilla. Mix until smooth. The batter will be thin. Pour the batter into 3 parchment-lined, greased and floured 9-inch pans. I recommend weighing the batter. Bake in a preheated 350-degree oven for around 25 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean. Do not overbake. I recommend putting a pan with 1 inch of hot water in the bottom rack of the oven while the cake bakes. Once the cakes have cooled, begin making the praline frosting. In a large saucepan, add 2 sticks of butter, 3.5 cups of white sugar, a half cup of brown sugar, and 3 cups of evaporated milk, which is 2 12-ounce cans. I had to switch to a bigger pan. Over a medium heat, bring the mixture to a boil. Then keep somewhere between a simmer and a light boil for about an hour, stirring constantly, till the color darkens slightly and it becomes slightly thick. Then add in 3 cups of chopped pecans and a teaspoon of vanilla. Cool the caramel till it is spreadable. Don't wait till it is too stiff, however. Place 1 cake layer topside up on a cake stand and spread with about a cup of frosting, then top with a second layer topside down, spread with frosting. Place the final layer topside up and finish frosting the top and the sides. Place the cake in the fridge or until icing is completely set. Slice and serve. Enjoy.